This 2011 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 32CA is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Tiffin is 32 feet 8 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a tan interior, sleeps 6, water heater, external shower, skylight, stove top burner, slideout, refrigerator, air conditioning, self-contained, TV, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2011 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 32CA is built on a Ford F-53 24,000 pounds chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton V-10 6.8L 362 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.